You guys, my Project Home DIY box came, but I got sent two. Curious, what do you guys think happened? Okay, you guys, so exciting stuff. I ended up with two boxes somehow, and I opened them to make sure that it wasn't that I needed two boxes this time, that they couldn't fit everything in one box, so they had to ship two. So I opened them to check, and yeah, I was accidentally sent two. So I contacted the company and was like, hey, I got two boxes. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to send one back? And they said that they looked into it, and for some reason, I just got sent two boxes. So they told me to pay it forward. So I'm gonna pay it forward to one of you. One of you out there watching is gonna get one of these. So what you need to do is check out this video. I'm gonna leave a keyword at some point in this video for you to put into the comments to try and get this box. And it is a good one, you guys. You're gonna want one. So all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, reside in the USA. I would like for you to like this video and look for that keyword. And I'm gonna have a random, one of those websites that do a random picker. They're gonna look through the comments and randomly pick somebody that put in the keyword to win the box. So be over the age of 18, be subscribed to my channel. Remember, this is a giveaway solely done by me. I'm choosing to do it this way. With my extra box I got sent. It has nothing to do with YouTube or any of that stuff. It's just something I am doing for fun. So I'll put all the details in the description on how long I'm gonna leave this giveaway open and all those things. So let's take a look at the box. Like I said, I did open it because I wasn't sure why I ended up with two. So we look inside, and there's some paints, and there's the kit. And the paints are packaged so darling. Look at these. So we have red, we have gray, and we have ivory. And I love that this helps you stockpile your craft collection, because this box doesn't necessarily have to be for somebody who loves to do crafts all the time. Maybe you're somebody who wants to dabble in it. Maybe you're somebody who is just starting out and see all these crafts on Pinterest and you want to start doing things and you don't have a big stockpile. This is a great way to just do a quick craft. So inside the box is a bag with all of our other items we need, and you can already see that we're doing something to make farmhouse beads, and they are in different sizes. I love that they aren't already colored, so we can customize this box or this project to how we want it to look. And then we have our twine to do the farmhouse beads. We have the cutest little snowflake wooden cutout. And then we have the main piece, our wooden frame. And it says Project Home DIY on the back. And I think we're going to be painting that. And then if you're worried that you can't do the writing that gorgeous on it, it says let's get cozy, there is a template to use. So it should make that super easy. Okay, so it looks like they have the farmhouse beads painted in white, red, and the gray. What I like is that since they're not already painted, you could do them all white if you wanted to. You could do them white and gray. You could do them white and red. I mean, you could leave them wooden if you wanted to, right? So you can customize this to fit your home decor. And I love that about it. And let's see, I usually love, one, they have where you can go check out a video. If you're confused at any of the steps, you can do that. And on the steps, it'll tell you what point in the video, like they give a timestamp of when that step is played. So if you already know how to do step 1 and step 2, but you're questioning step 3, you can say, oh, it says watch the step at 9 minutes. So you can just fast forward to there and watch the step you need, especially if you're pressed for time. So it says that this project is estimated to take around 1.5 to 2 hours in dry time because there is a lot of painting. So you know, you're going to need to let some of the paint dry before you move on. You don't want to put the wet beads together. It'll get the color next to it on them and it'll just not look as crisp as you would probably want. So the contents in this box, if you're wondering about the size of the frame, it is 16 by 12. And then you got the stencil, the red, gray, and ivory paint, the 5mm jute. I think that's what the 5M is. I don't know. You got wood beads and the snowflake. And if you are a new subscriber, if you haven't watched my last video, when you are a new subscriber to this box, you get a first time shipment of their like kind of starter bundle that has a paintbrush, a sanding block, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks. So that kind of helps you get your stockpile of crafting items together too. Okay, so additional items needed for this is bowls for the paint, some water, painter's tape, skewers, stain rag, an X-Acto knife, and a small paintbrush. So you would know to gather those items before you get started. I think this is a really, really cute craft. I cannot wait to get started on it. So if you are interested in getting this box sent to you by me, because I was sent an extra one on accident. So if you would like to get this craft, please put in the comments cozy. So write COZY in the comments, and then as long as you are over the age of 18 and reside in the United States, I will have the random picker look for that word, and hopefully you get chosen. That's really exciting, right? Okay, so if you do want to win this box and you do, you know, get chosen, I'll need a way to contact you. So you either need to check my channel to see if I name you or put a way to contact you in with your comment, either an email or I am on Instagram, so you could put your contact information for your Instagram in the comments, something like that, to make it easier for me to let you know that you won if you are picked. So I'm gonna get started on this craft because I'm really excited about it. And, you know, good luck to all of you who are looking to win, and I will show my finished project when I'm done. Okay, so stay tuned. Me and my daughter worked on this project together, and my daughter started by painting the background of this board, leaving a 1/4 inch border as recommended on this stem. Now we are getting the paint ready to color our beads. We chose to use all 3 colors, and as recommended, we are watering down the paint a little bit. Now I am getting ready to use the template to apply the phrase "Let's get cozy" to my sign. Now it is time to string on the farmhouse beads.
As recommended, I used some painter's tape to protect the freshly painted white board, and then I used the gray that was watered down to apply a wash to the frame. I felt like this was the hardest part of the project because it's kind of a rough frame, and I didn't like how some of the wash wasn't getting into some of the cracks and little bits of wood along the outside frame. I think this was meant to be a pretty rustic piece, so I get that that's how it was supposed to look. I just wanted to get a more streamlined look. Overall, it was a really fun project, and me and my daughter both enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune back in next time. Bye.